How vital, would you say, is the understanding of international relations in our interconnected world? This question might seem rhetorical, but its answer lies at the heart of an academic discipline that shapes the future leaders of our global community. Imagine the first day of a university student, eager to delve into the mysteries of international relations. The year is 2023. The syllabus is packed with intriguing subjects: global politics, international law, economic theories, and cultural studies. From day one, this academic journey is about more than just textbooks and lectures. It's about acquiring a nuanced understanding of the world, its nations, its conflicts, and its opportunities. The university years fly by, filled with intense debates, enlightening seminars, and countless hours spent in the library. Our student graduates with a solid grounding in international relations, ready to make a difference in the world. But where do they go from here? The career opportunities for an international relations graduate in 2023 are as diverse as they are exciting. They could work in diplomacy, shaping the relations between nations. They might choose a path in international law, advocating for justice on a global scale. Or they could become a political analyst, interpreting the complex interplay of politics and economics for businesses or governments. Consider the example of a young professional in 2023, navigating the aftermath of the global pandemic. They could be working for a multinational corporation, analyzing the impact of China's economic recovery on global markets. Or they might be at a non-profit, coordinating international aid efforts for overwhelmed healthcare systems. They could even be at the United Nations, mediating high-level diplomatic exchanges to repair strained relationships. Studying international relations is about understanding the interconnectedness of our world. It's about grasping the complexities of global politics, law, economics, and culture. It equips students with the knowledge and skills to navigate, influence, and shape the international landscape. The world of 2023 is fraught with challenges, from economic uncertainties to strained diplomatic relations. Yet it is also filled with opportunities for those who understand its complexities. For an international relations graduate, the potential to make a difference is immense. They could shape the course of international politics, influence economic policies, advocate for global justice, or facilitate cultural understanding. In a world that is more interconnected than ever, the relevance of international relations cannot be overstated. It is not just an academic discipline. It is a lens through which we can understand and navigate our global community. It is a pathway to diverse and exciting careers, a conduit for change, and a beacon for a more harmonious world. So how vital is the understanding of international relations? The answer, as it turns out, is profoundly so.